Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter in social science and in that geography part. Chapter number 2, Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. Shape and size of the earth. In previous chapter we had learned about the earth. In that we learned that earth is a unique planet and the shape of the earth is distinct. We can take an example of orange, and the shape of the orange is a same, or we can compare with the earth shape, which is same as spherical but not true sphere. It is bubbling at the center or compressed and flattened at the poles. The term which is used earth shape, that is called geoid. And the meaning of geoid is it looks like the earth shape. Globe. Now, first question is, what is globe? Globe is a true model of the earth, or we can say a globe is a model of the earth which gives us true picture of the shape of the earth. There are different types of globes. As we know, big one, it is not possible to carry one place to another. So there are different types of globes are found. Small pocket globes, and the small one are handed and can be carried easily, just like a balloon. Importance of the globe. Students, one thing I want to say you that the globe which mounted on the axis and spin just like the earth, which rotate in a same way like top spin or potter wheel rotates. On the globe, we found the information about the different continents, oceans, which are shown correctly. Even we found distance and directions also correctly represented on the globe. Now, how to locate a place on the globe? A big needle through the globe. You can see in the picture a big needle fixed through the globe and the imaginary axis, this one, imaginary axis on which the earth rotates, and the two ends of the axis, two and one, and this one, this one, and this one are called North Pole and South Pole. Okay, and the imaginary line which we found on the globe, that is known as axis. Now we will understand this with the help of the direct diagram. Okay, first is another imaginary line running on the globe divides into two equal paths, and that is known as equator. Okay, now we will understand this with the help of this diagram. There is telling that, and there is an imaginary line, another imaginary line which running on the globe, and that divides the globe in two equal two, this one, two equal paths. One is North Pole and another is South Pole. The northern North Pole, the from the equator to the north, this one, it is the north half, that is known by north hemisphere, northern hemisphere, and the from the equator to the low side, here half. Half from the equator to the 0 degree, equator to the 0 from the south pole, this south half part is known as south hemisphere. Okay, and once again the imaginary line, this one, which divides the globe into two equal parts, and that is known as equator. Latitudes. Now, latitudes. All the parallel circles from the equator up to the pole are called parallel of the latitude, or parallel of latitude has been measured with the degrees. और जो इक्वेटर होता है वो हमेशा 0 डिग्री रिप्रेजेंट करता है, और in mathematics we had already learned that sphere is of 360 degree. Okay, so if we imagine that equator of 0 degree, then when we reach to the up of the north pole, north pole that will we complete 90 degree. Same way, when we reaches to the south, we complete 90 degree in the south direction. Same way, the distance from the equator is either of the pole is 1/4 of the circle around the earth, and it is measured 1/4 of the 360, means 360 is divided by 4 equals to 90 degree, and the north pole and south pole is always marked with 90 degree north and 90 degree south. Let us understand with the help of diagram. Okay. As I already told you that all the parallel circles you can see in this picture, this circles from the equator of the up of the pole is called parallel of the latitudes. Okay, now we found that on the globe there is a 0 degree which indicates the equator. Now in maths we had already learned that sphere is of 360 degree, right? So when we start from 0 degree from our equator, when we reach on the north pole, we will complete our 90 degree, and the parallel lines which are running, these parallel lines which are running to the equator, and these imaginary lines are nothing but the parallels of the latitudes, which indicates from the north in the N and south in the S. Now let us understand with the help of example that is been given in your NCERT textbook. In NCERT textbook, there is one example is taken that Chandrapur, that is in Maharashtra, and another example it is taken from Belo Horizonte, which is a place in South America. Both are located on the 20 degree latitude. And now the question comes in our mind that if we want to locate, if both the place are located on the 20 degree, then how we will find the location? For that we need to mark north direction or south direction on the globe. So we found that in the north 20 degree there is in Chandrapur is in Maharashtra, which is in India, and 20 degree in south we will found that it is in south, that is Belo Horizonte. Now important parallels of the latitude. In this picture you can see that 0 which is indicated by the equator, right? And whereas in the north there is a Tropic of Cancer which is indicated by the degree of 23 degree 30 north. When we goes to the south, we will found Tropic of Cancer in south, that is 23 degree and 30 south. When we goes north, we will found Arctic Circle, that is 66 degree 30 north. That is northern hemisphere part. And when we goes to the southern hemisphere, we will found Antarctic Circle, which is 66 degree and 30 south. Same way, when we reach to the northern hemisphere of the top of the North Pole, we found 90 degree. In same way, when we found goes down in the south, we will found 90 degree in the south direction. So this much is for today's session. Thank you, students.